Today we are going to learn how to easily register on ULearns and watch all the lectures using your mobile device or computer. First, to register, search for ULearns on Google or simply go to u-learns.com and click on the first link. Once on the page, to register easily, click the login/register button on mobile or the login/register button on your computer. Then fill out the form by entering your username, like a nickname, your email, and your password. After clicking register, you will see a message asking you to activate your account by checking your email. Go to your inbox, find the email titled Activate Your Account, open it and click the link to activate your account. You will be automatically redirected to your dashboard where you may see a message saying no courses found. To enroll in your courses, please contact us by sending us a WhatsApp message with your email so we can manually enroll you. After we enroll you, just refresh the page and you will see your course listed. Click on it to start watching